Hey everybody, we're going to wrap up the note sheet, the Introduction to Rational Expressions Fractions worksheet. We already filled this out, so if you go to the third page of this note sheet, which is this one right here, let's take a look at this. It says, consider the expression 2/3 times 2. So let's show what the meaning of that is. So we're going to take our circles and we're going to divide them up into thirds. Okay, whoops, it doesn't want to do that very well. Let's undo that. Let's try that again. Okay, so you divide your circle up into thirds, and we need two groups of 2/3. So this is 2/3 of this circle. I need another group. I need two of them. So two groups of 2/3. So what do we have here? When we're evaluating what that is, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of thirds. So I know the answer is going to be 4/3. So how could we have done this using a shortcut? Well, 2/3 times 2. Remember, 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. So remember, to multiply fractions, you multiply across the top, the numerators. So 2 times 2 is 4 across the top. And then multiply the denominators. 3 times 1 is 3. So I can also get 4/3 by doing that. Notice we don't need a common denominator to do this. We're just looking at the two groups of 2/3. So we just multiply them together and voila, we're done. So if we were going to multiply 3/7 times 2/3, we can multiply straight across the top. 3 times 2 is 6. And 7 times 3 is 21. You might notice that this is not in lowest terms. There is a common factor. 3 divides each of these. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So my reduced answer, my simplified answer is 2/7. You may recall, since we can cancel common factors, if I look back at this original problem, I had a common factor of 3 in the numerator and in the denominator. So I could have crossed those out. Remember, you can cancel common factors. So then when I multiply across, I get 1 times 2, and there's my answer of 2. And then 7 times 1 is 7, and I would get my simplified answer right away. So remember then, the rule to multiply fractions is to multiply the numerators, so straight across the top, and then multiply the denominators, so straight across the bottom. And also remember that you can cancel and should cancel common factors. So now I would like you to go to your fractions worksheet that you should have gotten. And on the back, I want you to try numbers A through H. Actually, before you try these, watch the second video because I'll run through a few examples with you.